Hi, it's Danielle with Patriot Health Alliance, and today I'm going to walk you through how to assemble your Patriot Pure Ultimate Water Filtration System. Assembly is really just 3 steps: attaching the spigot, putting the handle on the lid, and putting in the filter. Let's start with the spigot. Carefully detach the plastic nut, the round plastic washer, and the round rubber gasket from the spigot screw, leaving the flexible washer in place. Let's set these down carefully in order. Now, with the stainless steel base, fit the spigot screw into the hole on the outside of the base. From the inside, put the washers and the gasket back on the spigot in reverse order. First, slide on the rubber washer, then the plastic washer, then the wing nut. Twist this in place just until it's finger tight. You don't need to over tighten this. Next, fit the ring onto the base. This protects your countertop and prevents any slipping. Now you're ready to install the important part: your Patriot Pure Gravity Block Filter with hybrid ceramic shell. The Patriot Pure filter comes ready to install. There's no soaking or chemicals to rinse off here. Just unscrew the plastic wing nut, leaving the washer in place. Next, thread the stem of the filter through any of the 4 holes in the floor of the stainless steel top, taking care to hold the filter straight. Again, you don't need to over tighten. Now, if you've purchased additional filters to make your filtering ultra fast, go ahead and insert those into one of the other holes. If not, insert rubber stoppers in the remaining holes, pressing down until they're snug. Now, as you can see, your Patriot Pure Ultimate Water Filtration System comes with a flow rate straw. If you're relatively confident in the safety of your water, you can use this to further increase the speed of your water filtration. To use the flow rate straw, simply place it in the bottom of the threaded filter mount with a firm push. This creates a siphon, pulling water through more quickly. For now, I'm going to detach the flow rate straw to continue the assembly. Let's move on to assemble the lid. Remove the small screw and washer from the knob center using a small screwdriver. Place the washer on the inside of the lid over the hole and put the screw through both the washer and the hole. Hold it in place with your finger and put the knob over the screw on the outside. Finger tighten. Then, tighten the screw with the screwdriver to fully secure the knob. And now you're ready to complete the assembly. Simply set the stainless steel top on the stainless steel base and put on the lid. The only thing left to do before use is to flush the new filter. You simply need to run water through it for 10 minutes, allow it to sit overnight, then run another 2 minutes of water through in the morning. And that's it. Now your Patriot Pure Ultimate Water Filtration System is ready to go.